Alright? Good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm feeling great, sir.
Great?
Yes,
Fine.
sir. How about you, sir?
I am fine, sir. Thank you for asking.
Yes, sir.
So, before we start our meeting today, I would like you to take a break with us. Someone can lead the break?
Yes, sir.
Alright, Emily. Alright.
So, everyone, before we start our material today, let's pray together. Pray begin.
Yes. Thank you, Emily.
Yes,
Alright. So, I want to check your attendance first. Is everyone here today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, let me check.
I think getting is not here, sir.
Nothing?
Nothing is not here. I think it's ready, maybe.
Alright. Maybe I check your attendance by one by one.
Alright, sir.
Kevin?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ravli?
Present, sir.
Alright.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry, sir. I'm late.
It's fine, okay.
I'm sorry, sir.
Where do you come from?
From home, sir, but the traffic is jammed. So I
see.
Thank you. Sorry, sir.
It's okay. Luckily you attend.
Okay, sir.
I'm taking your attendance.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Alright. Sylvester? Present, sir. I think everyone is here today. So, before we start our meetings today, I want to remind you about what we have learned before in the last meeting. Can everybody tell me what we have learned before?
But biology, sir?
Yes, biology. It's our study, but it's more specific.
It's living
Living things.
Yes.
Yeah. It's about living things, like what living things are made of. Okay. So for today, we will learn about more bigger than that, much bigger scope of living things. So before that, I want to show you the lesson objective about for today's meeting. So by the end of the lessons, we will be able to identify, for the mistake there, the three levels of biodiversity and analyze human impact on biodiversity. So, anybody knows what biodiversity is? Anyone? No.
No, sir.
So, it consists of two words like bio and
Diversity.
So, bio, it comes from Greek mythology, not Greek mythology, but Greek cultures, like Greek language. It means living things, life itself. And diversity, anyone can guess what diversity is?
Creature.
Yes, okay, what?
Creature.
Creature? No, it's not.
Think difference.
Thank you for your answer. What?
Difference.
Differences.
Yes.
That's one of it. Alright, give applause to Ravli. It's differences or variety. So when it combines of these two words, it means the variety of the differences of living things. Or we can call it in Indonesia as keanekaragaman hayati. This is the more explanation of that. So biodiversity is the variety of living things on Earth, and it is a variety of living things that show variations in shape, appearance, size, modern characteristics. So before that, there is like three levels of biodiversity, and I will show you the first levels of biodiversity differences. The first one is species diversity. Species diversity shows the variation in living things between species. As the example here, as you can see, there is a lot of birds, right?
Yes, sir.
And maybe you can see this bird right here is a national bird. It's called Japanese owl eagle. It's not just an eagle, especially eagle that you know in America, right?
Yes.
American logo, something like that. It's an eagle from Indonesia only.
Origin.
Yes, exactly. Not only this eagle, but there is also an owl, fruit dove, and also cockatoo, and these are the species differences of bird in Indonesia. So these are the birds that lives in Indonesia. The species of birds that live only in Indonesia. Maybe there is like non-native birds like this, or sparrow. You might see this on like the illegal market
Yes. Yes.
with a bunch of different colors, right?
Yes.
This bird. So this is the species diversity. So are you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Moving on to the next one. The next one is genetic diversity. This diversity is the diversity of individuals within a species of living. This diversity causes variation in genetic makeup through phenotypes and genotypes. So, as you can see in this picture, the example of it, there's a lot of durians, right?
Yes.
Maybe you might know this, like this one. Yeah, Philippines. Yeah, from Philippines, right?
Yes, sir.
Musang King, right?
Yes, sir.
You might heard it from Philippines, but it's not only Musang King of variety of durians. We also have Kachor, Montong, and also like Kanyao, Red, Brown, and so on. So these are the genetic diversity, the differences of genetic in one species. The species of durian. Durian is one of species of a fruit. So yeah, I think that's for the genetic diversity. Alright, moving on to the next one. Next one is ecosystem diversity. As you can see, here there's a lot of living things around it. So the explanation for that is like ecosystem diversity occurs because of gene and species diversity live here. Diversity is caused by biotic and abiotic components that have mutual connection in the habitat, and it consists of two types: aquatic and terrestrial. As you can see in the picture, this is a picture taken in the Raja Ampat Ocean. As you can see, there is a lot of living things right in here. There's a bunch of fish right here. Maybe there is no Nemo in here because I think Nemo somewhere lost and his father take searching for it. So this is the diversity of ecosystem. And this one is the aquatic ecosystem that surrounds the oceans. And this one, as you can see, is orangutan. Yes, exactly. I mean, it's an orangutan eating fruit in the forest. Right?
Yes.
And this one is called a terrestrial ecosystem. So there is two types of ecosystem diversity in here. So, and ecosystem itself means the living things lives in the place that called the ecosystem itself. So it's the home of the living things. Plants, this coral lives in here. It's a plant. This one is green. Plants. All right. So moving on to much more important things. You can see this picture, right?
Yes, sir.
There's a lot of things happening here. Industrials and also like a bunch of plants happening. Maybe it's not the original plants, I think. And this picture is taken in palm oil industry. So I want you think with your parents, do this with your parents, thinking about what human can cause to these these places around this ecosystem, right? So I give you like maybe 2 minutes to think. Start now. Are you ready? Alright. Can someone tell me what things can cause by human that affecting this ecosystem? Alright, maybe you can come forward first.
Alright, in this picture, what I found is the human impact on this biodiversity is they build this factory. It causes many smoke.
Right.
It causes pollution.
Yes,
It's
exactly.
not healthy for
Yeah.
human too. And then it also can destroy the ecosystem of the species that live in there.
Yes, exactly. Give applause to Kevin. That's a great job and great answer. So, yeah, exactly as Kevin said, it can cause several things that can endanger the species that lives in this ecosystem itself. So, as you can see, there's a bunch of things that human can impact on biodiversity and it cause biodiversity loss. For example, deforestation. As you can see, it is not the original plant in here. It's palm trees, but it's not actually the trees that belong to this place. So they like deforestation, all the things in here, and it's caused like maybe like around 3 million hectares of forest loss yearly in Indonesia itself. So it's really very much problem. So and also there is pollution that affects air. You can see in this like pollution causes like smoke in there, and also it causes like water pollution, and some sort of like soil pollution also. And it's also can be caused by illegal hunting. Like it's around 7,000 species illegally traded. So imagine if you like looking at this picture and you see that maybe orangutan lives here, right? And 7,000 species, seven or maybe you can see like around 7,000 of orangutans live here, and then they were hunted by people. You can imagine like how terrible that, terrifies that to the environment itself. That's right, and also the species itself. Right? And also the last thing is climate change. As you can see, we have a problem in climate change today. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it's sunny out of a sudden. So it's caused by something like this also. Like for this, like melting ice caps or oil bleaching. And for this one, maybe like the ozone that were like reducing by the cost of industrial things. Yes, sir. All right. The next activity we will have a group work, and I will give you the paper for each the groups. Right. Here we go. All right. So I want you to answer that question in the worksheet with your members, and then you present it on the front. Yes, sir. All right. I give you maybe 10 minutes. Right. Is it enough? Yes, sir. All right. So start now. Is there any question regarding the
No, sir.
no? So it's clear, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Not yet. Alright. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Alright. Okay. Now I want each of the group to present in front. Okay. On here. Maybe the first group.
Run
This one, right? You can go from. Just one of the sample of the sunrise.
This one, this.
Yeah. Okay. First, yeah.
First is Bali Starwing.
Everyone, give attention, please.
Bali Starwing, second part, right? Okay. So the biodiversity level, I think it's species diversity.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
Okay.
And then the human chart. Human chart is like the human effect of this first.
Yeah, human effects of this.
Okay. Human chart, I think it's like when someone throw cigarettes on the forest, it can destroy the environment of many birds.
Alright, that's a good point.
Yes, sir. And then next, sir.
No, it's only one.
One question, okay, sir.
Alright. Thank you, Kevin. Give a applause to Kevin. The last group.
Yeah, the second question is role of coral reefs, and the biodiversity level is ecosystem diversity.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, and the human rate is coral bleaching or ocean adding.
Yes, exactly. Give a applause to Ram. That talks oral bleaching. Alright. I think everyone done with the group works.
Yes.
So we may move to the next activity. It's individual activity. So I will give you the papers, each of you. Right? Okay, so let's see, let's go. And roughly and then. Alright. I'll give you 10 minutes to do that work and start. Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Is it output? Nothing? Are you done, guys?
Yes, sir. Not yet, sir.
Not yet, wait. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
I'm
You may. No, go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Thank you, David.
Yes, sir.
Alright. I think that's all for our activity today. So, one of you can tell me what have we learned today?
Yes, sir.
Alright, Kevin?
We learned about the genetic diversity and then species diversity and then the threat of this species that maybe because of human and then yeah, that's all.
Alright, that's good, Kevin. Give a applause to Kevin. So I think we can warm up our activities today. Before that, I want to show you that we have homework. So the homework is that we have the homework for you. You will get a video
Alright, sir.
about the individual tasks that you done. So I think that's all for our meeting today, and see you guys in the next.
Alright,
See you,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day, sir.